Hi there guys and gals, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be a cold start on my Nova GSi. For anybody who doesn't know, I've got a 1991 H registered Nova GSi which I've owned since 2004, so yeah, 20 years because it's 2024 as I'm recording this video. It's been off at road though since October 2005. The last tax disc expired October 2005, which is still in the windscreen. So yeah guys, so while I was in the garage, if you've seen my last video on my Mark II Cavalier Convertible, you can go back and watch that video where I was doing a little bit of a walk around the garage. I decided while I was in there I was going to do a cold start on the Nova. So here we go guys, let's get into it. While I'm in the garage, I just thought it might be rude to not take the opportunity to start the engine again on the Nova, because it's ages, absolutely ages since I started it. Hey, look at the nice rusty hole, one of the many bits that need welding. So yeah, let's give it another go. So it has been a while. This is the light I mentioned in my video about my garage that's not working. That's the side skirt that's not currently attached. That's where it should be attached, and as you can see, it's a big rusty hole. Nice. Speed lines, they're rare, aren't they, on Novas? Don't often see speed lines on Novas. Yeah, bit of a funny joke, that one. Right, let's jump in and we shall see what happens. So we have power. Fuel pump's just primed. We're in neutral, clutch depressed, we've got power. Look at all the dust flying around. See what happens. And there we go. Took a bit of time for the fuel to pump through, but we're running. Oh, awesome. Got the fastest windows in the West. So the electric windows are so fast on Novas. Don't know why they're so fast, but they just are. So yeah, there we go. Oh, that sounds absolutely sweet. Let's go back outside the car again. Sounds nice. Yeah, look, only random tyres dotted about. There we go. Oh, sounding good guys, sounding good. Oh, I really need to crack on and get this sorted now, don't I? See some of the welding that needs doing, end of the front panel, inner wing there that's been welded before, the dodgy patch up there that's been done before, obviously that bit that I've already showed you, bit down there as well. The usual rear arches and the sills. I think it's running a bit low on fuel. A little bit smoky. Just see the smoke starting to build a little bit. You can hear the fuel pump. It's obviously getting a little bit low on fuel. I love the colour of this. Look at the light. How the light catches the colour. Well, you can't really tell because how mucky it is, but yeah, I think it's starting to get low on fuel. So you can hear it starting to chug a little bit. Yeah, definitely getting low on fuel. You could hear the fuel pump starting to whine a little bit. So, but there you go. We have a running, working Nova GSi. One thing I didn't show in one of the previous videos was the back seat back in its normal position, because the back seat I've had it folded down for ages. Look at all the dust flying around. Wow, some right dust flying around in here. But yeah, the back seat had been folded down for ages with loads of stuff in the boot, and then I managed to get it sorted so that the back seat could go back up the way that it should. Sorry if the picture quality is not fantastic. Oh, that's my old digital dashboard there. Old Digi-Dash. Spare glass. I can't actually remember what that spare glass is out of. I think it's Nova glass actually. Yeah, it is. It's Nova glass. Sump gasket. Exhaust gasket. Some other gasket bits there as well. What are they from? Astronova. Oh, they're for this. Stem oil seals. Yeah. Blimey heck, look at that. There's actually an old advert there from when I was trying to sell my Audi 80. Where I put an advert up in the Asda. That's quite funny. Empty glove box. But yeah, there we go guys. Nova is still alive. So if anybody's been wondering what's happening with the Nova, it is still alive. It does still run. It does still start. And there is the proof. So yeah, stay tuned to the channel, because I'm going to try and really crack on and get some work done on this. Because I really do want to get it up and running and, you know, MOT'd, get it on road, get it. I mean, this would make an awesome daily driver. But as you can see on my channel, I've just got so many cars that I've got work to do on. It's just so difficult to get round to getting them all done. And this is why I do keep thinking, as much as it is cool having all these old cars, something's really got to give. You know, I mean, I was talking earlier about Brad, my convertible Mark II. Talking about the Vectra, and I've got the Mark 1 Cav, not to mention the Mark 3, the X-Max power car, you know, and the Manta, and my daily driver Owen. Still trying to get the Astra done and sold. So I've got a lot on my plate. So that's why I'm struggling to find time to get all these things done that need doing. But stay tuned to the channel anyway, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, browse, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Laters.